No grill, no problem. This is how I bake jerk chicken in the oven and keep it juicy. Let me show you how to make it. Vinegar. Starting off with the dry rub, I'm using jerk seasoning. Smoked paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. We're gonna add some Scotch bonnet powder. Now we're gonna rub in the seasoning. You want to season this down to the bone, okay? To this, I'm going to add garlic, allspice or pimento berries, nutmeg, onion, ginger, scallion, thyme, pepper. Grab your beer. Browning, liquid smoke. You don't have to add it if you don't have it, okay? It just add that smoky flavor, okay? Gonna add this to the chicken. Ooh, smelling so good. Ooh, the burning eyes. By the look of this, you can tell this is gonna taste so good. Look how good this looks. Seasoned down to the bone. Now we're gonna put this to the side to marinate for about at least 30 minutes to an hour or more. Overnight, the better flavor, okay? Yeah. The oven is already preheated and 375 degrees. I'm gonna pop these into the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let's go. After an hour, adding some beer to it. Now we're gonna put this on broil for about 5 minutes. It's so juicy. Gonna add some of this mango sauce to it. Ever tried this sauce before? It's really good. I also got some Festival on the side. Tell me, what do you like, Festival or Auto bread? Which one? Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. If you want, you can add ketchup, barbecue sauce, whatever sauce you want to add to this, or you can eat it plain, straight up like this. This is one of Jamaican's best street food, right? And the flavors, man. I can't imagine if this season from overnight or the season them would have stood in Navi. I forgot for going to seminar because I'm hungry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you in my next one.